welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare seafood risotto. There is so many ways to prepare this. My baby is here. There is so many ways to prepare this seafood risotto, and I also have some other ways here on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to be linking it in the description. So in this one I'm going to be using mixed seafoods to prepare this, which I'm going to be showing you the seafoods soon. So if this is your first time of stopping by to my channel, my name is Tessys. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for sticking around with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's get to the ingredients. So this is dry white wine, tomatoes, some rice for risotto, that is onion and garlic, salt, mixed seafood already clean, shrimps, extra virgin of olive oil, and that is my vegetable broth. So I'm adding the seafood into the vegetable broth. This is how I want to cook this, and I added a little bit of parsley inside. In case you want me to show you how to prepare vegetable broth for risotto, let me know. Okay, so I'm going to start by making the tomato sauce first. As you can see, I added extra virgin of olive oil and garlic. I allow the garlic to roast a little bit. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes and add a little bit of salt. Don't add too much salt, okay, because that vegetable broth, it has salt already. So I'm going to stir everything and allow the sauce to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat. So now while the tomatoes is cooking, I'm going to add extra virgin of olive oil again in another pan. Allow it to heat up. Then I'm going to add my onion and allow the onion to saute for about 3 to 4 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, whichever way you want it, okay. So after 2, 3, 4 minutes, I'm adding my rice into the onion oil, and I'm going to roast this rice for 3 minutes over a medium heat. So after 3, 4 minutes, I'm going to add my dry white wine into the rice and stir and allow the wine to evaporate. The wine takes about a minute or less to evaporate. So now I'm going to start adding the vegetable broth, the one I added fish inside. So as you can see, I added two cooking spoon of that vegetable broth, and I'm going to bring them to this texture. Then I will add another one. This is one thing about risotto, because you have to stand there if you want to have a perfect risotto. It's not a rice that you put and add water and go. You have to cook it. So as you can see, I'm adding the broth batch by batch, and I'm adding the seafood inside at the same time adding the broth. So I'm going to go ahead to continue doing this until all the broth are inside the rice, which I'm using 1000 ml of vegetable broth to cook this risotto. So that is what I'm going to be doing now, so enjoy it. So my rice is more than halfway cooked. So I'm adding the tomato sauce that I prepared earlier into the rice. So go ahead and add all, and it also depends on the quantity of rice you're making, okay. So you can add the ingredient more or you can add less. It depends on, this is a 4 portion, okay. So I'm going to stir them and continue adding my vegetable broth inside until all the liquids are inside. So all the broth are almost inside the rice. So now I'm going to add the like put the lid on and allow it to stay there for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes I took off the lid and I'm going to give it another stir, then add the last 2 cooking spoon of vegetable broth that is left in the pot, and that is it, guys. You don't want to overcook your risotto. Listen, this is why Italian food are one of the best in the world, because you don't want to overcook it and you don't want it to be very strong. You have to get it at the right consistency, okay? So my advice is, instead of you to overcook your risotto, allow the rice to be just a little bit strong, not like strong, but a little bit strong is better than when the rice is overcooked. So this is how I love to have my own rice. I don't like it to be dry. This way is very delicious, guys. You need to give this risotto a try. You need to give it a try. My God, my son could not stop eating it. Risotto is now his favorite, one of his favorite meal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Please share, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if try this recipe and give me feedback. Let me know what you think about it. So see you guys. Bye.